Welcome to UPDF's YouTube channel. In today's guide, we will learn how to convert scanned PDF to text on Mac. This skill is incredibly valuable because it allows you to access and edit the content within these scanned documents, making your work more efficient and versatile. To learn more, make sure that you have the latest version of UPDF installed on your system using the link given below. As you have now downloaded UPDF on your Mac, let's start discussing the steps that will help you to convert scanned PDF to text on Mac. Open UPDF and import the PDF file. Select the Recognize Text using OCR button. Then click the Perform OCR button. After that, access the Export PDF button and choose text.txt. Customize settings such as page range, and at last, click the Export button. Finally, save the file on your system. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.